Ever felt tipsy after just one drink on a flight? That's because one drink in the air is equal to two on the ground. Due to lower oxygen levels at high altitudes, alcohol enters your bloodstream faster, making you feel the effects much quicker. So next time you order that second glass of wine, just know you might feel it a lot more than you expected. Have you ever wondered how cabin crew manage to stay so fresh and alert on ultra-long flights? Well, they have a secret. On long-haul aircraft, there are hidden rest areas, either in the ceiling above passengers or underneath certain seats, where flight attendants can take breaks and even nap on actual beds. These compartments are off limits to passengers, but they are the key to keeping the crew well rested for your safety and comfort. Feeling extra hungry on a flight? Here's a little trick. Wait until the meal service is complete, and if there are extra meals left, flight attendants are usually happy to give you one. Airlines often load more food than needed to accommodate special requests or missing passengers. But remember, kindness goes a long way. Ask politely, and you just might score an extra meal for free. And that's just the beginning. Airplanes are full of secrets that most passengers never notice. Want to know more? Hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes aviation facts. Let us know in the comments, what's the most surprising thing you've learned about flying?